Many people have complained that they haven't used their water heater since it was installed. In this video, I will tell you why the water heater is not working. If you have just installed water heater, don't switch it on immediately. First, you need to remove the air trapped inside the water heater tank. This process is called removing an air lock. For you to do this, open the cool water supply to the heater. Then open the hot water side and leave it open. You will hear air coming out first. Leave it open until water flows smoothly without spitting. Once you have a steady flow of water, the tank is completely full and the air is gone. Now it's safe to switch it on. Turning on an empty water heater can damage the heating element and lead to expensive repair. If this is your first time seeing my channel, subscribe for more plumbing tips and educational tips like this. Thanks for watching.